and welcome back to my channel Chintamani 9617. Today we are going to learn about average. So without wasting time, let's start. So what is mean by average? Average is the sum of all number divided by the number of numbers. What is it? Thus, if AV be the average of n numbers of x1, x2, x3 up to xn, then the average is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn divided by the numbers. There are also second type of the average, that is weighted average. So what is weighted average? If there are k groups having number of numbers n1, n2, n3 up to nk with averages a1, a2, a3 up to ak respectively, then weighted average is n1a1 plus n2a2 plus n3a3 plus up to aknk divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus up to nk. These are the some basic of the averages. With these formulas we can solve any problem of average. We can use the average for speed and distance, time and work, allegation and many more. So without wasting time, let's move to the problems. So our first problem is the average of the first 9 prime numbers are. We have seen in previous videos what are the prime numbers. The prime number which is divided by itself and 1, it is known as prime number. So what are the prime numbers? First 9 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. So what we have to find the average. So how do we find the average is that addition of all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 23 divided by 9, that is equal to 100 by 9. We can write this in this format. What is it? 11 1 by 9. So how to convert 11 1 by 9 to 100 by 9 is very simple. Just multiply 11 by 9 and add 1. What is it? 11 into 9 is 99 plus 1 100 divided by 9. These are the conversions. So let's move to the second problem. The average age of the student of a class is 15.8 years. The average age of boys in the class is 16.4 years and that of the girls is 15.4 years. The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in the class is. So we have to find the ratio of boys to the girls. So let's start with the answer. First, let's assume the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. So what is it we have given? The average age of student, that means average age of boys and girls, that is 15.8. So how we can write this? So the average age, that is mean by age of boys plus age of girls divided by the number. We have assumed the number of boys as x and number of girls be y. So x plus y is equal to 15.8. So we can write it down as b plus g, that is sum of age of students, that is equal to 15.8 into x plus y. We have cross multiplied it x plus y to this side. Similarly, the sum of ages of boys is 16.4x and the sum of ages of girls is 15.4y. So we have given that average of the boys in the class and the average of the girls, and we have also given the total average of the class. So we can write it down as 15.8 x plus y, that we have derived it here, is equal to 16.4 x plus 15.4 y. So after solving this we get 0.6 x is equal to 0.4 y. So the required ratio is x by y, that is number of boys to number of girls, is equal to 2 by 3. It's simple as that. So moving forward, the next question is the average market price of 3 spears is of 3 shares x, y, z is n. The shares x and y lose n and z gains n by 2. As a result, the average market price of the 3 shares decreases by 1, the value of n. So basically it means that there is, suppose let's take an example. This is a pencil. There are 3 types of the pencil. The market price, that means we get the MRP of this pencil. Suppose the pencil price is 1. It has dropped, that means given a discount by n, and the third pencil has gained, means they have increased the price of the third pencil by n by 2. So we can write down the net decrease in the average can be expressed as minus n. That means first discount minus n and second discount minus n, because shares of x and y loses n and the shares of third is gained. So we can add n plus n by 2 and we have to find the average. So 1, 2, 3 divided by 3, number of numbers, is equal to minus 1. Minus or plus 1, you have to decide it. So the n answer will be 2. So we can write it down as plus 2 or minus 2. So moving forward to the next. The average price of the 3 diamonds of same weight is 5 crore, where the average price of the 2 costliest diamond is double the price of the cheapest diamond. The price of the cheapest diamond is. So we have to basically find there are 3 types of diamond. First 2 types are costlier and third type is cheaper. And the average price of all the 3 diamonds is 5 crore. So what does it mean? First let's assume the 3 diamonds as A, B and C. Then first equation we have given that average price of 3 diamond is 5 crore. So what does it mean? A plus B plus C divided by 3 is equal to 5 crore. And secondly, we have given the average price of the 2 costlier 2 is equal to the twice of the cheaper. So we can write it down as this. So substituting the value A plus B is equal to 4C in first equation, we get 4C plus C is equal to 5 into 3, that is 5 crore into 3. So what is it? 5C is equal to 15 and C is equal to 3. That means the cheapest diamond, the price of the cheapest diamond is 3 crore. So moving forward, there are only 5 people in the Aman Verma's family. Aman, his wife, a son and 2 daughters. The younger daughter age is 4/5 of the elder daughter's age. The age of the eldest daughter is 3/8 times of the father Aman, and the age of son is 1/5 that of his father Aman. 4 years ago, age of the wife was 8 times that of his son, and now the sum of the ages of the younger daughter and wife is same as the sum of the ages of the son and Aman, the average age of the family. Most students see this problem and see it as a difficulty, but actually if you have seen it and go the given equation, it is very simple problem and it is not that difficult as it looks. It is just a bigger sentences, that's all. So let's start by giving first equation. What is it? The younger daughter is 4/5 of the elder daughter. Assume younger daughter as y and elder daughter as e. So we can derive it as y is 4/5 of e. What is the second equation? The age of the eldest daughter is 3/8 times of her father Aman. So let's assume Aman as f, that is father. So what will be our equation? E is equal to 3/8 of f. The third equation we have given as that the age of the son is 1/5 that of his father Aman. So the third equation will be s is equal to 1/5 of f. Then the fourth equation we have given that 4 years ago the age of wife was 8 times that of his son. That means 4 years back. So we have to subtract 4 years from wife as well as the son. So what will be our equation? Wife W minus 4 is equal to 8 times S minus 4. So after solving this, we get our equation W is equal to 8 by 5 of F minus 28. Also we have given the sum of the ages of the younger daughter and his wife is same as the sum of the ages of the son and Aman. So what is it? Y plus W is equal to S plus F. So substituting the values in the format of father F for our simplicity, you can substitute by any times, any method. So deriving the, we have already given the elder daughters in the format of father, so we have to convert it younger daughters as well for father. How we can do that? Just 4/5 of elder daughter into 3/8, because it is given here. So by substituting the value of E in here, we get the value 3 by 10 of F. Just substitute all these values 1, 2, 3, 4 in this equation. What will we get? This type of equation, 3 by 10 of F plus 8 by 5 of F minus 28 is equal to 1 by 5 of F plus F. So after solving this equation, we get the values for father, that is 40. By substituting the value of F in all the given equation, we have calculated the values for the wife as 36 years, son as 8 years, elder daughter as 15 years, and younger daughter as 12 years. So we have to find the average age of the family. So how can we find that? The average is written as this: 40 plus 8 plus 36 plus 15 plus 12 divided by 5. 5 because there are the 5 numbers. So what will be our average for the family is 22.22 years. The average age of Aman Verma's family is 22.22 years. Thank you. We will meet in next video soon. Thank you.